Coming up in today's video, it's my 6-week mini braids hair growth update. I'm so excited to show you all the growth I've received in this challenge. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. As stated, it's been 6 weeks since these mini braids have been installed on my natural hair. I'm very excited to report the growth that I've got so far. As you know, I won't be measuring these until the end of the challenge, so I won't be actually showing you how much growth I've got. But if you look close enough, you can see that quite a lot of growth is happening. And I'm estimating probably at least an inch is under there in 6 weeks. So I'm always saying there, you can see for yourself that mini braids will grow your natural hair, install taking care of, i.e. washing your scalp and keeping up with your hair growth aid. I'm using virgin hair fertilizer. You are going to see growth even without a growth aid, but with a growth aid you will see accelerated growth. And there I'm pulling your hair so you can see how much it is. As it is a challenge, I am really trying to show you exactly how much growth I'm getting, but I'm not really just about the growth because my hair is also thickening. I want to say welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you checking my channel and stopping by. Just say hello in the comment section. I'll be very, very grateful to hear from you. So as my hair's been in for a whole 6 weeks, it is now time to give my hair a refresh. And how I do this, I tend to find about 3 rows in, and then I try to either redo those braids like fully, including the partings, or I install some sort of flat twist or braids, cornrows. You may notice the front section of my hair is all different lengths. It's always been this way. I've tried many times to trim my hair so that it's all one length, and it eventually just ends up being this way, and so I just allow it to grow that way. The front ones, i.e. the ones at the top of my crown, they're always much longer than the others. I'm so happy to see the length of that ponytail. That's also really encouraging to see how much my hair is growing. I do hope you're enjoying the mini braids challenge so far. Do check out the playlist section of my channel where you'll find detailed information of how to use mini braids to grow your natural hair. Of course, this challenge is not just about mini braids, because I give you tips on how to grow your natural hair, even if it is loose, even if it's in twists. Check out my Twisting for Growth playlist if you're just going to be using twists, because you can also grow perfectly beautiful, long, healthy and thick hair in twists. So check that out as well in order to help you. I go ahead and I remove all of those braids, and in this refresh I decided to just give a cornrow look and just change up the style. As you know, it's an 8-week challenge, so I don't have very long left in the challenge, and I thought I'd do something that's quite easy to put in and take out, so I went for my signature style. This cornrow at the front, braid or twist at the back is my signature style. Everyone that knows me knows my hair is always in this style. So actually to remove the mini braids and do a cornrow was quite refreshing, because I've been wearing mini braids for so long. I kept the cornrows quite simple. I can do intricate cornrows. I haven't done those on my hair in a long time, but I can do those. I decided to go very, very straight and simple, which, as I said, is my signature look. I do have some videos on my channel talking about your edges and doing braids. Do check them out. You got to make sure that when you're installing these braids that they're not too tight on your edges, especially if you're going to be using this style, as I do my signature style often. You're going to make sure that the start of these braids is not too tight, or what you will eventually end up with is bald spots in places where you've been pulling it, including alopecia, so you can actually get serious damaged hair if your braids are always constantly tight on the front of your hair on your edges. Fun fact, I've been cornering my hair since I was about 9 years old, and I can corn my hair in any direction possible. I can close my eyes and do this style. I don't actually need a mirror to part this straight or straightish, because I don't normally do straight parts, and I could actually do it, without looking in the mirror. I want to say thank you so much for watching so far in the video. If you got this far, do go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I make videos on growing your natural hair and so much more. Just check out the playlist section. As mentioned before, you'll find detailed information of how to grow your natural hair. Also, leave me a comment below. I would love to see more comments from the community. If you've got any questions, any comments, anything about the video that you noticed, do put them down below. And also give this video a like. That really helps to push this video up in the algorithm and helps this channel to grow. Thank you so much. So back to the video then, I just go ahead and continue to corner. As you can see, I didn't quite get across fully in row, but you'll find that wearing this style in a variety of ways, including ponytail, pulling it back and putting a headband on, or actually just wear it down. It doesn't really matter that the parting isn't completely straight across, and you can actually get away with quite a lot with this style. When braiding your hair, make sure that your hair is moisturized, make sure that your hair is also sealed. Also, try not to pull your hair too hard while you're styling it. Be gentle, because as you do those cornrows, your hair is going to start to get tangled, especially if it's longer like myself. So do be careful when you're putting these in. My hair is on the lower density side, so it can look thin when you're doing this. Now, I've always said, make sure that you look in the mirror and you see your hair and you accept the hair that you're given, because I spend quite a lot of time trying to make my hair appear thicker, looking at other people's hair and comparing it to mine. This is just how my hair is. It's just like medium density. It means that when I do my braids, sometimes they look stringy, but I just go ahead and I accept that. So go ahead and install the last few cornrows. For those of you that is on the challenge, it's not very long to go now. I'm so excited. Are you excited for all the growth that you've got over the last 8 weeks? It does seem like a much shorter challenge because we have gone 21 weeks before, but these shorter ones are really motivating as well, because anyone can join onto these shorter challenges. I'm very excited to take my hair out and see. Even if I get 1 inch of growth, I'll be very, very happy with that. So as I finish off the style, then by doing this, I can actually extend this style for another 4 weeks, because these cornrows can look fresh up to that time. And so this is a great way of actually getting more out of your mini braid. 6 weeks in and wearing this pulled back, it will look like my hair is just done. So it's another quick tip really to make your braids last longer. Just redo the edges, corner the front, do whatever you need to extend them, especially if you are in longer term protective style like myself. So here is the finished look. I'm so happy with this beautiful, beautiful hairstyle. Of course, it's my signature hairstyle. Very, very easy to do once the mini braids have already been installed in the back. And so I just go ahead, cornrow the front, and I just wear it down like this, because for the first few days, your hair is nice and fresh, and you're able just to wear it down like this and enjoy your hair. Just wearing it out or actually styling it into a bun. Once again, mini braids is a great way to grow your natural hair. 6 weeks in, I've showed you an update of how much growth I've got, and I've also shown you how I managed to extend the time I am in mini braids by braiding the front, or actually just freshening up my hair altogether. I do want to say thank you so much for watching my channel, and also thank you to all my new subscribers. There's quite a few of you there. Really, really grateful for your support. So go ahead and ask any questions you like, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.